As global resources become increasingly scarce, the traditional linear economic model is facing huge challenges. The circular economy has become a new dawn for sustainable industrial development. Today, let us focus on the modern paper products industry and explore the infinite possibilities of the circular economy. In the traditional linear economy, the paper products industry obtains wood from deforestation, produces paper, and discards it after use, causing resource waste and environmental pollution. The circular economy advocates building a closed-loop system for efficient resource utilization by reducing resource input, reusing products, and recycling waste materials. In the modern paper products industry, the circular economy means sustainable operation of the entire process, from raw material acquisition, production, and processing, to product recycling after use. From an economic perspective, the circular economy helps paper product companies reduce raw material costs and reduce procurement expenses by recycling waste paper to replace part of the logs. In terms of environmental benefits, it can effectively reduce deforestation, reduce wastewater and exhaust emissions, and protect the ecological environment. For example, IKEA, Nine Dragons Paper, and Miyingson have joined hands to create a close, circular industrial chain. On the retail side, waste cardboard generated by IKEA stores is packaged and shipped to Nine Dragons Paper. Relying on advanced technology, Nine Dragons Paper converts waste paper into high-quality-based paper, which is transported to be made into packaging cartons and then returned to IKEA for product packaging. Even the scraps produced by me can be transported back to Nine Dragons for repulping. This closed loop allows IKEA to recycle about 18,000 tons of waste cardboard every year, meeting 15% of its own packaging needs, and reducing the number of trees cut by more than 38,000 per year. This closed-loop production model not only reduces production costs, but also achieves a win-win situation for all parties in the industry chain. As an internationally renowned paper industry leader, Nine Dragons Paper has built a waste paper recycling system with a strong demonstration effect in the practice of circular economy. The company has a global recycling network with more than 200 standardized waste paper recycling sites in China alone, recycling more than 12 million tons of various types of waste paper annually. Taking its Dongguan production base as an example, by 2024, 8 million tons of high-quality packaging paper, cultural paper and other products will be produced through the recycling of waste paper, which is equivalent to reducing the felling of about 250 million trees. At the same time, Hema and Yutong Technology have innovatively designed recyclable paper packaging for fresh food and fast-moving consumer goods scenarios. Different from traditional disposable packaging, this type of packaging adopts the design of reinforced corrugated paper plus easy-to-disassemble structure. During the pilot period in 2024, Hema promoted this packaging in 50 stores in Shanghai and Hangzhou, with a cumulative recycling and reuse of more than 200,000 times, reducing disposable packaging waste by 350 tons. There are many practical circular economy strategies for the paper products industry. In the product design stage, the concept of recyclability and easy degradation is integrated to simplify the product structure and facilitate subsequent recycling. A closed-loop supply chain is established, and close cooperation is carried out with upstream and downstream companies to ensure that waste paper and other materials can be smoothly recycled and reused. A waste-to-resource plan is carried out to convert waste residues and waste liquids generated in the paper-making process into other valuable products or energy to achieve the goal of zero waste. This is a small factory that makes cartons from recycled paper. We can see these piles of recycled paper. Factory workers will use machines to crush the recycled paper and combine it with water to make the initial recycled paper pulp. Pulp flows through the production pipeline to the next step. These machines are processing the pulp, combining it with some chemical reagents to make it into pulp that meets the standards. After a series of treatments, the pulp is evenly spread on the production line. Until completely dry. After that, it will be collected by the production line into a giant reel. After the corrugated paper production process, the rolls of corrugated paper can be cut according to standards, become more mature products. These formed carton products will appear in every corner of the market. The sustainable development of the paper products industry requires the joint efforts of every industry participant. Let us work together to practice the principles of circular economy, starting from now, starting from small things, to contribute to protecting the Earth's resources and promoting the green transformation of the industry. Take action now and join our circular economy action.